2 minutes ago, Mom, and all this is happening. Like, I just pulled up. Mom. I did not do anything wrong. I promise you. I swear on God, on my dad.
On October 24th, 2021, in Daytona Beach, Florida, officers arrested 3 individuals during a routine inquiry near a parked vehicle, resulting in charges tied to alcohol and narcotics possession.
Whose shirt is this? Yours? How old are you? Don't lie to me either. 17. Sit down. Where are you standing?
We're here, sir.
Is that important? So, maybe already on you. G-A-V-I-N. Birthday? Is that out of Florida? You already?
That's my child.
First name?
Antonio, A-N-T-O-N-I-O.
Middle initial?
Jet.
Last name? Alright. First name?
Ma'am.
Officer Salas. Will you 1015 her, please?
Over here to your right.
Yep, this female. She's going to go with us for possession of alcohol under 21. And wait,
Behind your back.
17, 18. Alright. Put her in the back of our car, please, and get started on a 707 for her.
Understood.
I'll search her in a minute. Do you have any weapons on you?
I have a knife in my pocket. Right, left foot, left. Right here.
Okay. Can I give this to one of your friends?
Yeah, you have to
Justin? Alright.
Let's throw it in the truck. You came here in this truck?
We'll just give it to Justin when we're done. Justin. So we're charging her with possession of alcohol under the age of 21. So just get started on that 707. You know our back little window slides up and open and close.
Mm-hmm.
All right. You can talk to her through there. Just put her in the back seat and get started on the 707 while I deal with the rest of them.
Understood.
Sounds good?
Sounds good.
4 X-ray, 12 essential.
4 X-ray 12.
Adult female 1015. And like I said, I'll start just so I can get all this.
4 Delta 13, you're reading.
We're going to stick your phone back in your pocket, okay?
2 of the 3 subjects were female, one 17 years old and one 18, both charged under Florida's possession statute. What this encounter raises, legally and procedurally, is worth examining carefully. The authority to arrest flows directly from Florida Statute Section 562(111), which classifies possession of an alcoholic beverage by any person under 21 as a first-degree misdemeanor, carrying a maximum penalty of 1 year in county jail. Under Florida Statute Section 901.15, an officer may arrest without a warrant when a misdemeanor is committed in the officer's presence. Both subjects were observed in possession of alcohol, satisfying that threshold entirely. The 18-year-old's claim that she had just turned 18 is legally irrelevant. Florida's prohibition on alcohol possession applies uniformly to anyone under 21, regardless of how recently they crossed the age of majority. When the 17-year-old voluntarily disclosed a knife in his pocket, that disclosure triggered a search incident to arrest analysis under Chimel v. California, decided by the U.S. Supreme Court in 1969. Chimel establishes that officers conducting a lawful arrest may search the person and the area within their immediate control, for officer safety and to prevent evidence destruction. The subject's voluntary disclosure removed the need for that physical search. However, allowing the knife to be stored in a third party's truck rather than secured and documented raises a legitimate chain of custody concern. If that weapon became relevant to a subsequent proceeding, its handling here could create an evidentiary problem. The female subject seated in the rear of the patrol vehicle was unambiguously in custody. Under Miranda v. Arizona, decided in 1966, custodial interrogation requires a prior advisement of rights. The key word is interrogation. Her phone call to her mother was a voluntary, unsolicited communication, not a product of police questioning. Voluntary statements made without prompting are admissible, and officers appropriately refrained from questioning her during that call. Florida Statute Section 985.101 governs juvenile custody and notification. When a minor is taken into custody, reasonable steps toward parental notification are expected. No such step is visible on camera for the 17-year-old subject. The use of force throughout this encounter never exceeded handcuffing. Under Graham v. Connor, decided in 1989, reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. Given the nonviolent nature of the offense and the absence of any physical resistance, handcuffing as the sole control mechanism was plainly reasonable and consistent with standard use of force protocols across American law enforcement.
What's that, ma'am?
Can I give Justin his card?
Where are the keys at?
My pocket here.
Which one is Justin?
Right there.
Hang on, you can't. But
Thank you.
Miranda's going.
Actually, you know what? Hang on 1 second. Just turn around for me real quick. Alright, just hang out for a second, okay, ma'am?
Officer Salas,
Bag's in there.
will you...
Want me to move those?
Bags? I got
I got it.
Right in the back for me. You'll have a second. What the fuck? They're pretty much taking it the same time. Alright? I'm not even anything. Like, I'm not even, like, I literally not even pulled up and I just...
Go ahead.
Alpha Hotel Victor. Like, I'm in school. Like, I don't need this shit for me. This is not me. Like, I didn't... Like, what the... Call mom.
Central 402, 10-4 check.
Mom, I literally just pulled up, where, like, Bryce and everybody was, and, like, we were just chilling, and cops pulled up and they just put me in handcuffs. Like, I'm in the back of the police car. Like, I don't know. Like, they wouldn't let me call you. Like, I don't know. Like, this is all crazy. It is in Daytona. I will send you my location right now. Hold on. No, I think they're taking me to the police station. Like, I don't know. I don't know, Mom. Like, I don't know. No, they said I'm an adult. Like, they don't care about you. Like, I'm an adult. Like, I don't... Nothing! Literally nothing! I literally just pulled up 2 minutes ago, Mom, and all this is happening. Like, I just pulled up. Like, I just pulled up, Mom. I did not do anything wrong. I promise you. I swear on God, on my dad. On Dad's dad. I swear to God, I didn't do anything. They won't tell me anything. They just put me in handcuffs. I was sitting on the back of the seat doing nothing. I don't know. I don't know. They don't want to talk to you. They don't care. It's my officer. It's my mom. Can I talk to you? Like,
Ma'am, what's up?
my mom says it's her car. She wants to talk to you about her car.
Alright, just give me a minute.
Okay, I don't mean to yell at you, sir.
No, you're alright.
Mean to.
You're alright.
I just never been inside of a cop car before. Like, I don't do this. Like, I don't do this. I'm just freaking out because I'm in handcuffs. Like, I've just never been in handcuffs. What?
Now to the grades. The lead officer earns a B+. His legal authority was sound, his de-escalation was genuine and effective, and his communication with both his partner and the subjects in custody remained clear throughout the encounter. The deduction comes from procedural documentation. The knife's disposition was handled informally, and no rights advisement was captured on camera. Those gaps matter in any civil liability or internal review context. Officer Salas earns a B. He executed his secondary role in transport and documentation without incident. Limited camera coverage prevents a fuller evaluation, but nothing visible raised a procedural concern. Courtney, the 18-year-old, earns a B+. She did not resist, did not escalate, and responded constructively to the officer's de-escalation. Her composure under genuine distress reflects well, particularly for someone experiencing their first arrest. The 17-year-old earns a B-. His cooperation was real, and his voluntary weapon disclosure reduced risk for everyone present. The deduction is for the absence of legal awareness, specifically his Fifth Amendment right to remain silent.
X-ray 20.
South Atlantic and Harrison, Florida, Golf 3-0.
You're being arrested and you're on your phone. Sorry, I was talking to my mother. I was letting her know what was happening. You're 18 years old, right? You're a grown adult. Yes, ma'am, but I just turned like 18. What's your first name? Courtney. Courtney. Rita, R-I-T-A. What's your last name? Chase, C-H-A-C-E. And what's your birthday? 09/05/2003. Did you run her in teletype page? Or in Elvis at least?
I have Paige and
Okay.
Elvis, yeah.
This is Courtney. Here's Courtney's phone. Actually, let me
Okay. All from the same car?
Two in this one in that one.
Okay. I guess for the same arrest, I'm guessing. What I was getting at?
They're all from the same call. They're arrested for different things. My two are for possession of alcohol, and that one's for weed.
Cool.
So
707s are about done?
they're all done. They're all signed.
Sweet. All right, let's go with the girls first.
Okay, so the girls are going to be in this car.
Sounds great.
Both are in the back seat there.
How you doing, young lady?
Good.
I need you to step on out for me. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to turn around. I'm going to swap out those nice pretty handcuffs for my ugly ones.
Please.
Well, they're going to not feel any better, so
Oh.
it's not going to change anything. Other than he wants his nice ones back, he doesn't want my crappy ones.
That's right.
I'm not going nowhere.
I know you're not. Alright, once we get you to the jail, or actually once we get you to the office, we're going to get you out of these things, do some paperwork, and then we'll get you out to the jail and get you out of here. Alright?
Okay.
Short and simple to the point. I am not here to be an asshole to you. If you're not an asshole to me, we'll get along just fine.
Oh, I'm
right?
very respectful.
Okay. I appreciate that. Alright, come on down here. Step on in, seat over there if you want them, let me know.
We hold
If
these.
not, fine by me. Okay. One down. Top, right. Same thing I just told her. I'm here to be as easygoing as possible. So as long as you're nice to me, I'll be nice to you. Sound fair? Alright. Here we go. I'll take these up. Give it a second.
Yes, sir.
Watch or something in there.
No, I just have
There we go.
bracelets.
Tiny wrists. How old are you?
I'm 18.
18. Alright. Okay, right over here. Same thing. Step on in. Screwdriver for me, please.
I tried to put it on.
Two down.
Thank you.
Every encounter like this one carries lessons that go beyond the individuals involved. 5 points stand out from this footage, each one grounded in what the law actually requires, not what people commonly assume it does. Lesson 1. Florida Statute Section 562(111) applies to everyone under 21, without exception. Telling an officer you just turned 18 will not change your legal exposure, and it will not change the outcome of the arrest. Lesson 2. Voluntary weapon disclosure is a double-edged decision. It reduced risk here and earned goodwill, but it also produced a self-incriminating statement. Know your Fifth Amendment right to remain silent before you speak, regardless of your intent. Lesson 3. Custodial phone calls are not private conversations. Anything said in the back of a patrol vehicle, to a parent or anyone else, can be monitored, recorded, and used in a subsequent legal proceeding. Lesson 4. De-escalation is a two-way dynamic. When an officer sets a clear, non-hostile tone, matching that energy is in your direct interest. Cooperation does not mean surrendering your rights, but it does change how an encounter unfolds. Lesson 5. Parental notification for a juvenile in custody is not optional under Florida law. Florida Statute Section 985.101 creates a legal expectation that departments must meet. If you are a minor, know this right exists and is enforceable. Understanding the law behind an encounter like this one is how you protect yourself, whether you are behind the badge or standing in front of it. If this breakdown was useful, subscribe to our channel for more analysis like this.